Hi everyone. Welcome to 101. I'm Austin, and today, we're diving into the art of wise investing. To invest wisely, begin with a clear financial goal. What are you investing for? It could be your retirement, buying a home, or your child's education. Knowing your goal helps you choose the right investment strategy. The golden rule of wise investing is diversification. Don't put all your money in one investment. Spread your funds across different assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. This helps manage risk and potentially increase your returns. Knowledge is power. Before investing, research the options available. Understand the risks and potential returns. Consider seeking advice from financial experts or using investment tools. Lastly, be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your goals and stay the course. There you have it. To invest your money wisely, set clear goals, diversify your portfolio, do your homework, and be patient. Keep learning with 101.